Speaking of the Roadster, there's a cool little, I didn't know what I would call it. It's kind of like an interactive, what do they say here? Interactive 0 to 60 mile per hour drag race by Vanarama. And as you scroll down, you'll see how you interact with this thing. This image here, which would probably be good for the thumbnail or something, showcases the different speeds representative of kind of like a graph almost, but it has the cool overhead car graphics superimposed on there. But if you scroll down, you'll see it's actually interactive to see how fast 1.1 seconds actually is. You click the engine start button here.
It's embedded in here.
It's embedded, and it scrolls a little bit, and then now start to scroll, I guess, or click. I don't even know what you did. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, watch this. Will is scrolling, but it's all happening. You see, he goes, it's 0.2, 0.4. Well, he's not at 60. Oh, there it is. The Roadster's at 60. Boom, it's over the line. Oh, and then in comes the regular Roadster, non-SpaceX edition. Next up, it's a 2015 Porsche 918 Spyder, followed by the current generation 911 Turbo S at 2.2 seconds. Anyway, I feel like I was broadcasting a
giddy up
race event there.
There you go.
So you can see a lot of popular cars. There's some electric cars and some supercars on there. And this just gives you a different sense of where and how these things line up and just how much faster 1.1 seconds is if they actually do end up delivering that on the Roadster compared to all these other cars. I guess we would have to put the Rimac in there as well now.
Right. Oh, these are all neck and neck, eh?
2.4 seconds. Yeah. The Chiron, the Taycan. I mean, but even, see, this is kind of, the representation here is kind of weird because you're talking about 0.1 seconds between the Huracan Performante or even the 911 Turbo S at 2.2. Like you're talking about fractions of a second, right? Mm-hmm. And you're into the decimal point, but you got to go a long ways back to get to 1 second, which is where the first one, like you got to go all the way back over there.
Right.
I mean, it's wild. SpaceX edition. Maybe people could go to the website, try it out for themselves. But that was a little bit of fun, right? That's different than reading a typical.
Sure,
Come on, well, you had some fun, no?
Interactive.